In this video, we'll go through some of the basic capabilities of your website editor. Start by logging in to your website manager and then click Turn Editing On, found at the top left of the page. Navigate to the page that you would like to make changes to. Then click on the yellow Edit button found at the bottom of the editable region. The pop-up that appears is your website editor. We'll go through some of the more basic capabilities of the site editor, and in the videos that follow, we'll take you through some of the more advanced features. Starting from the top left, the Undo and Redo buttons works very similar to the way Microsoft Word works. You start typing, and let's say you make a mistake. You can click the Undo button, and it will take you back to the previous step. If you'd like the text to reappear, or if you undo a little too much, click on the Redo button and the text will reappear. You can format the text by selecting the text and then clicking on your bold, italic, or underline options. I'll make the company name bold. I'll make the word you italic, and I'll underline the customer. You can also change the color of the text and the color behind the text by simply selecting the text, then clicking on the drop-down next to text color, and clicking on the color that you'd like the text to appear. If you have something that you'd like to highlight, simply select the text, and you can change the background color of that text by selecting the drop-down next to background color, then select the color that you like. You can change the alignment of the content with these icons here. You have the option to align your text to the left, to the center, to the right, or justify it across the page. Simply select the text and then click on the option that you'd like. To insert a bulleted or numbered list, you'll just type out the text that you'd like to convert into a bulleted or numbered list and then select your bullet or numbered list dropdown. So I'll type in sample text, then select the text, and under the bullet list dropdown you can select the default. You can select a circle, a disc, or a square. I'll go ahead and select the square option for my bulleted list, and then I'll enter a numbered list. Then I'll select the text and click on the numbered list option. You have the option of doing a lower alpha, upper alpha, lower Greek, lower Roman, and upper Roman option if you'd like. You can increase or decrease the indentation on your text by selecting the text and clicking on your Increase Indent option, which will shift the text over to the right. If you shift it over a little too much, you can select it and decrease the indent. So this works with bulleted lists and numbered lists. Your website was built with pre-formatted fonts that match your design. When adding new headings or subheadings, use these options to maintain consistency. Simply select the text and then click on one of the pre-loaded formats. I'm going to go ahead and change the words My Services to a header number 2. And when I save these changes, My Services will appear similar to the way the word Credentials appears, which is the same as heading number 2. A heading number 1 would be the About Us heading, which is the top level heading for the page. In the videos that follow, I'll take you through tables, links, anchor links, images, and source code. The final two basic capabilities are your preview and special character options. So special characters are characters that you can insert into your website. You have several options of special characters. You have your copyright, your registered, your trademark, and several others, so feel free to use these as needed. And the final basic capability is your preview option. which allows you to view all the changes that you've made before saving them to the page. I'm happy with all the changes that we've made here, and so I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Edits. You'll notice the page reloads right away and all of the changes have been reflected on the website.